Alright, so dropping my car off. There were a couple things. Let me show you. They said they're gonna wash it and see about fixing it. So they said this little thing here is kind of wrinkling up. And then this one, I think when they left the window like up to put the tint, it hit here and scratched that. So they said they'll see what they can do. They asked what I wanted them to do. It's not really dented, it's just scraped off. So I told them if they can paint it to where it matches and it's not really noticeable, or wrap it with something, just wrap all of it to make it match, I'd be okay with that, I guess. But I'd prefer to have it like replaced if it can be, but I don't think that makes too much sense. So yeah, I don't know if they'll do it, because I think when I asked Tesla, that trim to replace it's like $200 something. So yeah, I'd feel bad, even though it was kind of their mistake making them pay $200 something to replace that piece. Anyways, time to go home. So yeah. Oh, I thought I put the GPS up. Okay, I'm here picking up my car. They actually had it washed, so it's a lot cleaner now. Okay, and so they put some black stuff there to kind of patch it a bit. I might have to roughen it to make it less shiny. If I'm not looking for it, it's not too noticeable. And then this part was wrinkly, so they kind of, I don't know, shaved it off or something. It's better. But yeah, that's it. And they washed the car.